How to create a YouTube channel on your phone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create one on both iPhone and Android. First, install and open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap your account name or accounts at the top. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to use for your YouTube channel. If you need to add another Google account, select Add Account and sign in. Once you're signed in, tap your profile picture again. Look for the option to Create a Channel and select it. Here, I've already created the channel, but you can follow the same steps as I'm saying. Now, you can add a profile picture for your channel. Enter your desired channel name and choose a unique handle. When you're finished, review your information and tap Create Channel. Your YouTube channel will now be created. To view it, tap your profile picture and select View Channel. And that's it. You've successfully created a YouTube channel on your iPhone or Android phone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more YouTube tips and tutorials.